Good morning, my name is Mr. Moffat and I'm here to do an assembly with you today. We're going to try and do one assembly every day. And assemblies are all about photos and pictures from all around the world. So before we start, I'd like to go and get a piece of paper, a pencil, maybe some colouring pencils, or even better, a little book, a little journal you can use to keep a diary of all the assemblies that we look at together over the next few weeks. So pause me now and go and get a piece of paper that you can work on at the end of this assembly. Okay, are we back? Have you all got a piece of paper? Excellent. So let's look at the first picture for today. Here we are. What do you see in this picture? Where do you think it was taken? Who's in it? What are they doing? What do you think the story is behind this picture? I'm going to read you the story behind this picture. If you want, you could pause me now and talk with your family about what you think the story might be behind this picture. Okay, I'll tell you the story. This photo won a photograph competition in an oceanographic magazine called Ocean Photography. It won the awards at the start of the year. It was taken in Australia and it shows two penguins comforting each other. The photo was taken by Tobias Baumgartner in Melbourne, and the penguins live in a colony of penguins where 1,400 penguins live together. Tobias wrote, "A volunteer approached me and told me that the white penguin was an elderly lady who had lost her partner. And apparently, the younger male to her left had also lost his partner. And since losing their partners, they met regularly, comforting each other and standing for hours and hours watching the dancing lights of the nearby city." Tobias said it was really hard work to get the shot. The penguins kept moving and cleaning each other, and the lights just didn't look right. And guess how long he took to take this shot? He was there for 3 nights. Imagine that, 3 nights just to get this one photo, but it was worth it in the end. And he says, "I got lucky during one beautiful moment." So, questions for you to talk about with your family about this photo. How does the photo make you feel? Why do you think this photo won the competition? Why do you think Tobias spent 3 nights waiting for this shot? Why didn't he give up after the first night? He says, "I got lucky." What does he mean by that? What can we learn from Tobias? What can we learn from these penguins? And why do you think this picture is a picture and a story of hope? Have a discussion with your family now about the picture. Right, I've got some questions for you to work on and some activities for you that you could choose to do. You could do one or all of these. The first one is draw a picture of the penguins comforting each other. The second one, if you were in the picture, who would you comfort? Draw a picture of you and someone you love looking at the lights, and you need to think about whether we see the back of your head looking at the lights or whether we see your face. So you can decide. I think the lights in the photo look really interesting, like little balls of light and all different colours. So that would make a nice art picture, wouldn't it? Create your own picture of coloured lights shining against a dark night sky. And if you want to do some writing, then think about, why do the penguins meet regularly and comfort each other for hours at a time? In your assembly journal or on your piece of paper, you could write a description of the photo, explain how it makes you feel and why you think this is a picture of hope. What can we learn from these penguins? I hope you've enjoyed this assembly, and tomorrow we'll have a different picture and a different story. Have a great day. Bye-bye.